Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I let you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And a very, very nice move today. Things started off a bit rough, and then just spent essentially the entire afternoon grinding its way upwards. So after that price action, updates, like I said, definitely do need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, though, and just get rid of that line right there. Sure, that level still pertains, just not really relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter with lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. Now, the first update comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So $7.20 is the newest area of support and what I would call the ideal level of support. I mean, you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above 720. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 720, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How are you going to best visualize that? That is what is being represented. Again, yeah, sure, staying above 720, that would be great. But from the big picture of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? So where are some next potential sellers at? Next overall level of resistance right up there at $7.40. And then just in case the price keeps on grinding after $7.40, next key level up there at about $7.68. So keep an eye on these next couple hurdles here. Overall, though, ever since the price seemed to have bottomed out back here on the 30th, it's been a nice, slow, methodical grind upwards, and that's what you want to see. So just keep on building those higher lows and let the overall chart take care of itself. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.